Guys, we're doing our last video for the Fisher Farms LLC Retirement Auction here in Grand Junction, Colorado. This is our last 4440 that we have to do and put it on. The TAC is showing 3,530 hours. I'm confident that is not right. It's probably been replaced at some point. The little 4440 is just in its work clothes here, guys. They've been using it to run the grain auger that's hooked up behind it right here. And so we came over to get the video of it, and we'll have it cleaned up by sale day, but we did want to start it and give you a little video so that we could let you hear the tractor run and whatnot. We're not going to drive it because we are hooked up to the grain auger. Now, the tractor was plugged in, guys, before we came over here. They had the block heater plugged in for it. I think this is a little bit harder starting tractor in the cold than maybe some of the other ones that we've done for you on these videos. So, but it idles right along pretty nice. You see we've got the radio and the fan here. Let's see if we can. Fan blows good right there. And we're gonna turn around here. We're gonna lower the 3-point down for you. And again, it's a little chilly here today, guys, so the 3-point's moving kind of slow. And then we're going to turn the PTO on for you so you can see that it works. Okay. And again, that's all we're going to do for you guys. The transmission, everything works on this tractor the way it should, but because we are using it to move grain with, we can't move the transmission for you. The glass in the cab on this tractor is all good, guys. Might need a little tightening up here on the latch, and you can see there's a little bit of spot where a cab kit would probably help this little tractor out a little bit, but all in all, it's a pretty fair little tractor, and we will get her cleaned up for you on sale day. Sale day will be February 26th, 2022, live in Grand Junction, and simultaneous online bidding offered through Auction Times Equipment Facts online bidding platform. If you have any questions, give us a call, guys. Thank you very much. A little 4440 here in Grand Junction.